What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and combing everything in place so we could get a nice and neat canvas. I want to do a Q&A video soon, so drop any questions down below in the comments. Now we're going to separate the top of the hair from the sides. Starting off with our gold FX, we're going to create our first guideline, contouring to his head shape. You also want to make sure not to press too hard here, because then you're going to have a harder line to take out. Now we're going to use our gold FX to completely ball them out and make sure everything's nice and neat. Don't be afraid to use your opposite hands to stretch the skin when needed. Now that we're done balding them out, we could then move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Once we're done setting in our second guideline, we could then slightly close the lever midway and all the way closed and attack that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a follow down below on the Instagram. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we could then move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. As you guys can see here, I'm using my comb to help us feed the hair into the clipper. We're also going to use this same guard to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. Now that we're done with the lower guards, we could then move on to our two guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. We're also using our comb to feed the hair into the clipper here, especially when it gets to longer hair. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, we could then move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Again, I got a Q&A video coming up, so I want to make sure you guys leave some questions down below in the comments so I can answer them. Sometimes there's still a faint line after using your 1.5 guard, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using these corners would definitely help. Now with our 3 guard all the way open, we're going to use our comb to feed the hair into the clipper, and this is going to help us finish off our silhouette. Now that we're done with our 3 guard all the way open, I'm going to go back to my 2 guard all the way open and try to blend out that guideline between those 2 guards. Now that we're done using our guards, we are now moving on to our clipper over comb method, and we're going to use our horizontal cuts to make sure we debulk as much as possible. And remember, when I'm using my vertical cuts, I'm using it to blend. Now that we're done fading up the sides, we can move on to his front line and use our gold FX to start off at the middle and work our way to the sides. When lining up the vertical bars, you want to keep them as natural as possible. You don't want to make the angle too exaggerated. Also, when you're lining up the C-cups, I always like to start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. I just feel like that's the most accurate way possible. Now that we're done lining up our C-cup, we can move on to the other side. Always make sure to go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. As you guys can see, this is a natural lining. I'm making sure I don't push the C cups back. I'm making sure they also match. As you guys can see, I'm going back and forth. Now that we're done lining them up, we can then move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. When using your razor, you always want to keep it at a 45-degree angle and also stretch the skin with your opposite hand as much as possible. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a follow down below on the Instagram.